I am the research director for our social computing project. It's called Air Force Forums. It's a program that we started about 6 years ago, focusing on what kind of benefits can the Air Force gather from social learning and professional networking. We have active duty, Guard, Reserve, civilian, contractors all across the Air Force enterprise, all around the world. And we need to be able to connect them to leverage their knowledge for the benefit of others in the enterprise. The approach, or the project that we decided to embark upon, was called Commander's Connection, and was all about providing education and training just in time for folks that didn't have an opportunity to go to one of the formal classes before they assumed their command. Additionally, it was to support those folks once they were in command, and then after they were done, transfer the lessons learned from that experience back into the body of corporate knowledge and share that with others, so essentially they didn't make the same mistakes. It was wildly successful. There were about 2,500 squadron commanders in the Air Force. We hit 1,250 of them in our first year. So we connect to about half the squadron commanders in the Air Force, helping them do their job better. From there, we created the Air Force Forums project as essentially a test bed to see what we could do with social learning and professional networking to create that full-up learning organization that we need to be successful. Essentially, coming up with best practices that anyone can implement, platform independent, that anyone can implement to improve the way that their organization learns and leads. With the world being so much more interconnected, we have to change the way we do business. We have to be smarter than our adversaries. And the way we do that, the way we think we can do that better, is by using social computing to become a learning organization. Capitalize on the knowledge of many to benefit the entire force. What's interesting about social computing is that its adoption is inevitable. Our young folks expect it. About 80% of the Air Force is under 29 years old. They come in expecting to have these tools available in their quiver today. As we move down the road, these things will become ubiquitous. Social computing will drive the organizational change we need to become a learning organization. If you're in an organization where you can actually jump on the bandwagon now and start taking advantage of it now, you will have a competitive edge over your adversaries.